Oświęcimia przez Albernierza i podjedzie na stanowisko.
Good morning, everyone. Don't pay attention. As always, I look handsome. This is my friend, and we are going to Zakopane. Yeah, we were running to this bus station.
It's my fault.
It's very rare to see him. He will admit that is wrong, but we are coming to this, you know. We're changing. We are changing. Yep. So yeah, guys, it seems like we finally came to Zakopane. Do you know what the Zakopane means?
No.
It came from the verb Zakopać. It's bury someone.
Buried?
Bury someone. So yeah, so I'm gonna be the first person to see you. It's your first snow ever, right? And I will be like witnessing how he is witnessing. Okay. Do you know what the Zapka means? It's like a baby frog. So yeah, what's your first impression, bro? We have to stop it. It's already a minute. Say something. I'm gay. This is the Zakopane that we expected to be. Now we have to go to the mountains and stuff. You know what I wanna do? I wanna like to make a snow and then like throw at you, and I will pose and catch the exact moment, and it's just like.
You're hitting your phone?
Huh?
You're hitting your phone? Do it.
Well, I can target your head, you know. It will be like still going to that.
Of course.
It seems like there should be a road, but it seems like it's very not safe to walk up there, and that's why we are going to another way. Yep, we're following that guy. Look at this house. So we're here. I'm trusting this guy. I think he can lead us, but I don't know for sure, you know? But we are going up. I think it's an alibi or something. We thought like we can go up there, but it turns out it was a slippery, and now we have to buy this. Oh. Someone's smoking weed, bro.
They're locked in, bro.
Bro, you say you want to fight? Bro. Bro, I'm afraid you're gonna like die in a real fight with me, man.
Really?
Yeah, bro, this might happen.
Do you remember your punches? Yeah, we
Don't be, how to say, my face, it's a lie, you know?
A lie, okay.
Yeah, there's a beast sleeping inside, you know?
How you take it out? Let's go. That's actually scary, though.
Yep. So tell me what happened to you
No.
like 5 minutes ago.
I was standing still.
Yep.
But like you know, Mr. Frozone or something on the Incredibles.
Yep.
I'm like him, bro.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, you look like him, yeah?
okay, enough of that racism now.
No, not don't. Just don't. Yep.
If you hit it though. Photo, I
You know what? We will miss this place. Oh, he can. My phone is he. He and his. His pronouns. This is the last moments in Zakopane. I don't know if we ever in this life will come back to this place again or not. But now we are leaving. We go back to the. And when we are to the end of it.
I feel it. Another version of me. I lose it. I wake up back to the end of beginning.
We started our day with this, just sandwiches, and now it's the end of the day, and we're closing it with the sandwich again.